Alright, hello everybody. My name is Stephen Fanene, and this is my presentation for major and career plan ideas. So, my declared major is psychology. I am still working on exactly what I want to do with psychology, but I'm planning on grad school, which will be after my 4 years here. And so, since I don't know exactly what I want to do, I do have some ideas though. I want to do some more research and possibly be a counselor if I decide to go that way, maybe for like school counseling. So required education. So obviously I need my 4 years here, and then after I leave here, I will plan to go to grad school if I want to uh, further my education. And my education relates to my 4 year plan because I need to finish my school here, my 4 years here, and learn as much as I can and apply as much as I've learned to my field in psychology to get the most out of it so I'm knowledgeable and I'm able to actually do my job when I graduate from college. So I'm hoping to do some research while I'm here and get involved, um, get to know as much about psychology as I can and apply it so I can have that knowledge and further my degree later. And I'm majoring in psychology because it was my favorite class in high school, and I always was just interested in how people think and why they behave certain ways, because a lot of times it didn't make sense to me. Like, why is this person doing this or reacting this way when I would have reacted in a totally different way? But a lot of it, goes deeper than just a simple answer, and psychology, kind of explains all of that. Uh, how have my reasons compared with those listed in chapter 13? Well, psychology is what I love and what I'm planning to do unless I, figure something else out. I'm planning on maybe even doing business as a minor or do business major psych minor, but everything I've said earlier, like applying what I learn and getting involved in taking place in, you know, work now, getting that experience for later will really help me in my career later ahead. So, yep, that's my presentation. Thanks. Bye.